last vlog of the Chikmagalur vlog. We are going back to Bangalore right now, and we have left, and it's 9:58 now. Our next stop will be around 3:30 to 4. So I'll meet you there. So guys, we have stopped at Pakashala, the same place where we stopped when we first went to Chikmagalur in Chikmagalur 1.0. Yeah, so it's one more coincidence. So guys, we finally reached our home now. Thanks for watching this vlog series. I hope you like it. And this is my first vlog in which I have included drone shots and all. So do comment how did you like it. And thanks for watching this vlog. I'll meet you soon in a gaming or a vlog.